What's up, dentcoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about dentcoin, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price update of a dentcoin, but first of all, I'm very shocked, I'm very sad about a dentcoin that the changes of dentcoin is completely going in the low. So that's why I'm feeling very shocked, guys, and I'm very sad today. Anyways, guys, the changes is negative, so does not mean that you lose hope. No, never lose hope, guys. Just hold, just hold. You can see here that right now price of a dentcoin is about 0.004672 USD dollar. That is the right now price of a dentcoin. And furthermore, if you talk about the changes, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur and the dentcoin is completely negative. I mean, the price very badly falls down. So what should we do in this type of bad times? What should we do, guys? You can see here from to this price chart that type from here the price of dentcoin price falls down. From 15 August dentcoin price starts and still they're in the falls. So guys, now that's clear that already it is a long-term fall. So now I think it is the ending time of dentcoin falls down. Possibilities, guys, that to the next 1 week the price continue, but after 1 week I'm sure that dentcoin price will again pump. Dentcoin price will again pump, guys. What you think? If you agree with me, like this video. Anyways, guys, now the changes occur in the dentcoin is negative 2.05%, and the highest price is 0.008686 USD dollar. Guys, if you decide to sell, so it's clear that you are in the loss. But if you decide to hold, possibilities that the price will pump and you get profit. So please hold it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.